A world that can change your life. A world of clean water, fresh air. A world with a starry sky and pristine nature. At the heart of nomadic empires. A land of living traditions. Tuva, it's the feeling of pride in your heart as a child knowing that this is where the river Yenisei begins. That the geographical center of Asia is located right here. A few millennia ago, Scythians lived here, by these rivers and lakes, sacred mountains and taiga, and in these endless steppes, a world that has retained its identity. Tuva, it is when your heart beats in time with a horse moving fast in the steppe, and in the sky, an eagle performs its dance, the one and only dance of the eagle, the dance of freedom. Tuva, it's when your passion grows hot, excitement, adrenaline, and all this, it is a place of power, and you are part of its energy. Tuva, it is when your heart is frozen by the magic sounds of shamanic tambourines, when you get goosebumps from the sound of throat singing, and then just a bit more, and it's almost nirvana. Tuva, it is when the whole world is the cosmos, and you are also the cosmos. Tuva, it is when the world is you. A world without limits, a world of new discoveries, a world of which you are a part. Tuva the Undiscovered.